Hey YouTube, JW. I got another Sanrenmu knife here. I was so impressed with my other one that I got. I picked up another one. These are coming out of California, direct off the boat from China, I would suppose. It's still in the pack. I haven't got it out. And once again, you know, it says everything about the knives on there, but it seems like these Sanrenmu knives are just smaller versions of bigger knives, same design. But we'll see if the quality of this one is the same. This is the GR5-605 is the number of it. Comes in this nice clam pack. As you can see, it's a small knife. Just 5.5 inches overall length and 2.3 inch blade, and it's very light. It only weighs 1.4 ounces, but I can already tell you it's a solid feeling knife. Absolutely zero blade play once again. Full flat grind. It is 8CR13 MOV steel. Single thumb stud, stainless steel liners, flow through design, nylon pivot washers. It is tip up only, single position carry. You can see with those nice red maroon G10 scales, double torx head adjustment on the opening, which it seems like it needs to be adjusted a little bit. It's a little tight, but overall the opening is smooth. Neat little blade. It would be good for utility tasks. Pretty good little grip, as you can see here. I like the tip. It's like a scalpel blade design. That would be very, very good for utility tasks. There we go. Yeah, nice look if it would focus there. So we'll see. I'll use it. I'll test it out. Like I said, I'm really into these Sanrenmu knives because, I mean, it also has a lanyard hole there. Looks pretty small, but I mean, for $12 shipped, I mean, come on, folks. You know what I mean? Check this out. Let's do the old, everybody talked about the slow cut test. Let's try it. It's sharp, but that's that super steel. Really good knives. So that's pretty much all I can say about this little double. But once again, I'm a big fan. I know they're Chinese made. I'm a big fan of the Sanrenmu knives. In today's age of people looking for budget deals, in my opinion, it doesn't get any better budget for what you get with these. So blade centering also is absolutely perfect. the quality on these are good, guys. Check them out. Sanrenmu knives. Thanks for watching.